All right, good morning. Happy Wednesday, everybody. We are live on KENS 5 talking about a couple of showers out west. If you're watching from Del Rio, Eagle Pass, or Uvalde, it's been a little active earlier this morning. A couple of downpours moving in off what was the remnants of Tropical Storm Barry. This is all because of tropical moisture moving in from the south and just some weak energy across Mexico. And we're just kind of on that outer edge, especially San Antonio, of these streamer showers, these lines of showers and thunder showers that can cause pretty heavy rain in a short amount of time. However, notice pretty much like San Antonio eastward is mostly clear. That won't be the case all day, but we will see a couple of showers. But the main takeaway for today's weather and tomorrow's weather, most of the heavier amount of rain, and if there's any kind of like isolated, flash flooding or high water areas, it is going to remain west towards like Del Rio, Eagle Pass, Uvalde. You can see with some of the live cameras right below me, very, clouded in. I mean, we have a lot of moisture overhead, and that's helping produce, again, some showers out west. There's a lot of moisture to fuel some of these thunder showers in our western counties. Between Medina County, towards Frio County, Maverick County, and Valverde County, a couple of pretty good tropical downpours moving in from the southeast and moving northwest. Here's a live look over San Antonio. This is near downtown. Airport's at 86, 85 at Stinson. It's a little breezy with a southeast wind around 16 miles an hour, but a mostly cloudy sky as we kickstart this Wednesday. Temperatures across the board, middle to lower 80s around the region. We do have some 70s out west where there's more cloud cover and some more rain-cooled air. As you saw on radar, more heavy rain towards the west between like Medina County towards Uvalde, Del Rio. That's where the rain, again, will be the heaviest over the next 6 to 12 hours and likely through tomorrow as well. But that's a look at temperatures across the metro, even cooler out west. So this is the huge difference between cloud cover and rain-cooled air. 73 in Del Rio to about 86 in San Antonio. That's a 13-degree swing in temperatures because of just how different the weather is, 100 to 200 miles west of Bexar County. 72 at Rock Springs, 81 at Pearsall, and there's the radar. So let's zoom in on some of these communities. The closest rain to San Antonio is on the far west side. So between like Marbach Road, this is 1604 Highway 90, there's 211. There's Petrenko, east of Grossenbacher. This is right off of Ravenfield Drive. You move farther northwest and closer to like Medina Lake, for example. Pretty good heavy downpour out there. All this is clutter on the radar towards Seguin. Maybe a couple of light showers out near Wilson County, near Stockdale and Floresville. That's the more measurable precipitation that's happening in our local area. And some more moisture moving in on off the Gulf near Carson City, Beeville, Highway 181 towards Rock Springs. And yeah, that's a lot of moisture to our west. Not so much moisture like towards Houston. It's clear and sunny towards Houston, but we're all like on the dividing line of like that moisture source in San Antonio. So notice as we put this in motion, this is all moving like in the northwest direction. So notice again, San Antonio like on the outer edge of that, where Laredo, Eagle Pass, Del Rio, we'll see more of that, convective moisture moving as like a conveyor belt across the Rio Grande. Yes, San Antonio may see a couple of passing showers later today, but most of the widespread rain will be farther west. Here's the 3-day forecast. We do have weather impact alerts for the potential for a couple of scattered showers, a couple of isolated storms. 89 today, 90 tomorrow, 92 Friday for the 4th of July. So ultimately rain coverage, trending down and down into the weekend, and then temperatures will trend up. So that's kind of the theme in today's weather. Just, on and off rain chances with a couple of downpours possible, especially if you're watching west of San Antonio. Is it going to be windy when it rains? Yeah, probably, because, some of these thunder showers from, Jay Martin said, is it going to be windy? These thunder showers have the ability to create, large outflows, some gust fronts, and that can make it a little breezy when these thunderstorms and thunder showers move through. So again, that's a look at today. So we may see a couple more passing thunder showers through this evening. Tonight after sunset, it's quiet. Tomorrow morning, with the help of some warmth and daytime heat, that may touch off one or two like spotty downpours Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon. But as we talked about earlier, the heaviest rain will be west, like Del Rio, Carrizo Springs, Uvalde, Rock Springs, where they could pick up in some areas like 3/4 of an inch to maybe an inch of rainfall. Where in our area, the coverage of rain will be more widely scattered, like isolated. So like San Marcos, Gonzales, Seguin, Lavernia, for example. More of those spotty downpours in the forecast for today and tomorrow. So we're going to watch those very closely and keep an eye on radar. We do have the weather impact alerts for today and tomorrow for the potential at a couple of passing downpours that could impact the late afternoon and evening commute. So just keep an eye on radar. We have the KENS 5 app you can download free. We'll have notifications, push alerts. We'll have radar on that app as well if the rain and the thunderstorms get more active. But again, widely scattered showers and thunder showers later today. Same thing on Thursday with the high temperature. Not bad, 90 degrees for the first couple of days of July, where we could easily be near 100 degrees. That's not bad because of cloud cover and rain cool air. 92 on the 4th of July, mid to upper 90s by early next week, where temperatures will be closing in on 100 by July 9th, 10th, and 11th here in San Antonio.